In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a report in Nutshell CRM. By the end, you'll know how to open the reporting area, pick the right report for your goal, and refine it with filters and segments so your data actually answers the questions you care about. Start by logging in to your Nutshell CRM account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the left sidebar and click the reports icon. It looks like a small chart or graph. This opens the reporting area where Nutshell organizes insights into several built-in categories. You'll see options like sales, new leads, activity, forecast, losses, funnel, snapshot, and a custom report builder. Depending on your plan, some options may be available only on Growth or Pro tiers. Activity tracking is included with Growth and above, while deeper analytics like forecast, losses, funnel, and snapshot are on Pro and higher. Now choose the type of report that aligns with what you want to measure. If you need a clear view of sales performance and won deals, open the sales report. To understand your pipeline's inflow, the new leads report shows incoming lead volume over time. If you're monitoring team productivity, calls, meetings, and tasks, the activity report is the right place. For advanced planning and diagnostics, forecast projects, potential revenue, losses helps you analyze why deals didn't close, funnel illustrates conversions between stages, and snapshot captures a point-in-time overview. And when you need something tailored, pick custom to build your own report with filters and flexible segments. With your report open, click the filter icon to bring up the filter pane. This is where you narrow results to exactly what matters. Set your date range first, and pay attention to whether the report uses open dates or close dates, so you're measuring the right period. Focus your view with the assignee filter to look at a single sales rep or a specific team. Choose a pipeline or stage to evaluate performance in one part of your process. Then refine further with lead source, product, tag, or outcome to isolate patterns, like which sources produce the most wins, or which products move fastest. For side-by-side comparisons, add a segment to break the report out by rep, source, or another key attribute. Segments make trends easier to spot without switching screens. Just keep them relevant so the chart stays readable. That's it. Log in, open reports, choose the report that fits your goal, and fine-tune with filters and segments to turn your Nutshell data into clear, actionable insights.